What's going on YouTube? Jelani from JelaniTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Quora for affiliate marketing. But before we get into that, definitely subscribe, hit that alert button, and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Also, check out my Instagram at JelaniTheMarketer, and check out my blog.JelaniTheMarketer.com. Alright, let's go right into it. Alright, so Quora is a program, or essentially an online software where people go on there to ask questions, okay? So they can have any question in the world. I mean, literally any question in the world. And this is my feed. So if I were to go to advice about making money, for example, you can see there's different questions. I want to earn money online, no service, affiliate, etc. What else is out there, right? So people have these questions, and people like me and people like you would go out there and answer those questions. Now, the cool thing about Quora is that you can give a lot of value, and then you can include your links, right? You can include links, but you can also include affiliate links. Now, I will say before we get deep into this that you do not want to spam Quora. The game here is not to spam affiliate links and your links. The game here is to give a lot of value and then sprinkle in your links throughout the value that you're giving, okay? So you can sign up for Quora. It's completely free, and this is a really cool way to actually start with affiliate marketing, because the thing is, you can literally answer questions and thousands of people will see your answer over time. For example, let me just check out my stats here. So the last time I posted on Quora was in 2018. I'm not that active because I'm doing other things. I would like to get more active on Quora, so maybe that would be something that I will try to incorporate with my social ecosystem that I'm developing. But you can see the last 30 days I've had 633 views, right? And that's not me doing anything. That's just me for my past answers, right? All time I have 7,580 views on my answers, okay? So it's a lot. It's a lot. It just keeps going over time. Obviously it's 147 in the last 7 days is not that a lot, but it's compounding, right? If you keep making answers to people's questions, or producing answers to people's questions, you are going to get more views over time, and that's just the name of the game. So it's a compounding game, but it's really cool because you can download the app on your phone and then just answer questions while you're commuting, or while you're on your way to class or whatever. You can answer like 5 at a time, 5 a day, right? And then it just keeps compounding. You do 5 a day. That's a lot of answers. And then what I like to do, this is the tip that you guys can use, is I like to get my affiliate links inside of my notepad on my phone. Therefore, like when I'm answering a question, I can just quickly go to my notepad, grab the link, boom, and paste it inside the answer while I'm answering. Okay, so let me just show you the profile, how Quora, how you can lay it out. So what I do is I just have a basic introduction of who I am. This is an affiliate link to ClickFunnels, so when they click on this link, it directs them to ClickFunnels. So if they click on this, then they get cookied, right? And then I just keep explaining like who I am, what I do. And then at the bottom, I do a little social thing where, check out my blog. I could probably say something like check out my Instagram like I do on my YouTube. And then check out this free course. This is Greg Jeffrey's course that I'm promoting here. That's my affiliate link. And then this is, I believe, my little affiliate kickstart.net program, okay? So you can kind of copy this model. It's very, very simple, but people will go to your page as you're answering questions, okay? So I have 149 followers. I have no idea who these people are, but you're growing a social, as you keep answering questions, you're growing a social, I guess, atmosphere or like environment where people are going to go to your profile. They're going to look at you, what you're about, why should you be seen as the authority, right? Why are you the authority figure? And they will then, click on your links, etc. So let's actually just take a look at how this works. So this is a question that someone asked, right? And it says, affiliate marketers, what would you say is acceptable open and click the rate in an email before you decide to write new copy, right? And I just said I would say 10%, right? And this is very short. Like, this has no affiliate link. This is not, a really value-packed answer. But I like to sprinkle in short answers with long answers. So, for example, this next question is, what is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing, right? And then also, one thing before I go into this, you can see my pre-headers here, my header, right? Jelani Abdul-Salam, digital marketer, lover of knowledge, student of the world. So what you can do here is you can actually probably put your blog here, right? You could probably put your Instagram here, or like your website, whatever the case may be. Therefore, when someone sees their answer, it'll say Jelani Abdul-Salam at Jelani the Marketer, JelaniTheMarketer.com, etc., right? And that gives you another call to action for people to go and click through. And it's something that I should definitely be doing, but that's just something that you should be doing as well. All right, so this question is what is the best way to make money online? So this is kind of more in-depth answer, right? Like I have an image here, which is a great way to separate yourself from the other people who are not including images. So if you have some time, if you're on your desktop, you can go to Pixabay, go to Google, just find some images that will look nice and appealing inside of the copy. But I this is kind of short, right? I say, I give them some value, right? I would say ClickFunnels, and then I give them a training, and then I give them another image to kind of separate this copy from the next copy introduction that's coming in, and then I give them some more value, like you can use SEO, you can go check out Greg's free training, which talks all about SEO, right? So getting people to click on these links, and I got 163 views, and as time goes on, people are still going to see this. So the cool thing about Quora is it actually shows answers from like 2016 or 2017. It doesn't just show 2019 answers, right? Like, so the first answer here it's a top answer, one of the top answers for this question. It was answered in 2017, right? And it's still getting hits, right? And this is very value packed answer. This is something that you want to take note of. You want to make sure you're giving value. Like I said, you don't want to be just sprinkling or just hammering Quora with your affiliate links, because their moderation team is going to say, hey, this person's a spammer, let's ban them, we don't want them on our platform, because they're not giving value. You have to give value. That's the name of the game. But it's really cool because you can just answer. It's like a mini blog almost, where you can just answer people's questions, put your little links in there, put some images, and boom, right? So this person gave a lot of value here, and this is probably why they're the top answer. Because of all the value. They're separating their copy with images, they're giving some visuals, right? And really including links, going to blogs, going to affiliate links, right? And these are probably all affiliate links. Actually, they're not affiliate links. But this is a blog link, right? And this one has 4.3K views, okay? So as you can see, like it doesn't matter the time frame that you answer the question. It's more about the value that you're providing the person. And if people start upvoting it, right? People are upvoting this answer, it's going to get put to the top. So this one has 25 upvotes and it has 4.3K views. Amazing, because that's just going to compound over and over time, and as it hits this top spot, people are just going to look at that answer, right? So again, you can see I'm doing short answers. I got some long answers here. Not that long, but this one's a long one. Not that long, but it's pretty like it's different from this one, right? Like, so I'm doing a combination of things. And this is to kind of just get the moderation team to see like you are just giving value, like you're not just sprinkling links and affiliate links, like you are answering things that don't include links, right? So you definitely have to do that. All right, so this one is another affiliate link here. So I'm just answering stuff, right? Like literally just answering stuff and just being valued to the platform, okay? And the longer that your answer is, the better, okay? Another thing that you can do, which is something that I love doing, is putting my YouTube video. So if I've made a content piece on YouTube that pertains to an answer already, I can just pull the YouTube video and plug it inside of Quora and say, hey, give it a little breakdown of it, but watch this video because it will give you some more information, and check out the link as well, right? Very simple, but it's effective, and it's also getting me more views on my YouTube videos. So that's something also that you can do if you have a YouTube channel. This is funny because this one, it says, can I use my debit to pay Shopify monthly payment? And I just say yes. And it has 1.3K views, but that's okay. I mean, it doesn't really, I'm more concerned about the ones that have links, and just sprinkling in there, like this is flooded with ClickFunnels affiliate links, right? Just getting my name out there. But again, it's very simple. Again, another YouTube video talking about Ecom Lad, and this has 897 views. And this is an affiliate link, right? So people will watch this video, they're like, oh, that's really cool, I want to check out Ecom Lab. Boom, check my link, and I get paid off that, right? So that's a really great strategy to do that, and I highly recommend that you do the same thing. But yeah, so this is basically it. You're just answering people's questions, and what you can do is you once you sign up, you're gonna want to find like your tribe, or like the things that you think you can best answer, okay? So and these are like really random, like who is the most promiscuous person you've ever met? Yeah, so there's like super weird questions. There's really promiscuous questions like about sex and all different types of things. So that's why I'm saying you definitely want to get your tribe and get things in your feed that you can answer, and things that you want to see. And also Quora will ask you to answer things, right? As you are answering questions in particular areas, they'll say, hey, can you think you can answer this, right? I can hear a request from Quora. What is the best pin size for printers, right? Boom. If I can answer that, I'll answer it. If I can't, whatever. And then also people will then ask you questions. As they see that your profile is good enough, they'll be like, okay, can this person answer this question? Because I see that they've been answering questions in the same topic. I wonder if they can help me out, right? So yeah, so that's basically it, okay? So I highly recommend Quora. It's a really cool way, unique way to get people following you and just get people into your world without having to spend any money. And all you have to do is quickly answer questions, 5 questions a day. It doesn't take that much time, really. If you're not a great writer, this is perfect for you. If you don't want to maintain a blog, this is perfect for you. If you don't have money to spend on ads, this is perfect for you. You just have to make sure that you're not spamming Quora and making sure that you're giving value, leading with value, and that people will be able to follow your information, and then you can kind of sprinkle in affiliate links as you're giving value, okay? So that's Quora. If you want to learn more about Quora, I actually teach a whole section in Spencer Meekum's course. Spencer is a amazing affiliate marketer, and he's ClickFunnels' top affiliate marketer. Actually, he made $1 million promoting just ClickFunnels. Absolutely insane. So he actually asked me to do a topic piece, like a 3-video extensive training on Quora. So he asked a few people to do that. So there's topics on Pinterest, there's topics on Quora, there's topics on Instagram, there's topics on Facebook groups and outsourcing and finding VAs. There's all different type topics from different people who have success in those areas. And then in addition, you get his main piece, which is affiliate marketing as well on YouTube and stuff like that. So definitely click the link down below if you want to get access to Spencer Meekum's course. It's absolutely amazing. One of the best courses that I have personally purchased. So I'm not just saying that, it's really good. So click the link down below if you want to get Spencer's course. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, leave those down below, and subscribe, hit that alert button if you have so you can know when I post new videos. And I don't know if I have anything else to say besides thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.